Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today we have a fire alarm collection video to show you. First fire alarm collection video on this channel, and I hope you enjoy. See ya in the next video. Here they are. As you can see, I have all of them lined up. Sorry if it's blurry at times, my phone's not the best. Alright, let's start. So, start off with this one. This is my Whemenoc HSPW24 light plate, which is really rare. This is my Whemenoc MT4 horn. See? So that's that. I like this. I have it set for root tone because that's my favorite tone. You can see. It's really old. Also, you can see it here. It's SPW24 20-31 VDC. And then up here. Oh, it's backwards. As you can see at the top there, MT4. Oh, I have to be still. Ah, come on, focus. Well, if you can't see that, it says MT4 22/24, I guess. Why isn't it focusing? Come on now. Wow, dude, that's... There we go. MT4 12/24. Jeez, that was taxing. Oh wait. Then we have my Whemenoc E70 24 MCW speakers. It was a speaker strobe once, so I decided to take it apart for some reason. There it is. My Whemenoc. Oh wait, so all that's Whemenoc. So is that. My Simplex True Alert, and it is the 4903-9450 adjustable. So it does not work unless I have an adjustable panel. If I have a panel that is adjustable, it should operate, I'm guessing. I don't know if it has to be simplex or if it doesn't have to be, but hopefully any adjustable panel will work. Let me know in the comments. Then we have these two smoke alarms that are the same. They are Fire X's. Don't worry guys, if you can't see the model numbers and stuff, then I'll just put it, like I'll put the text so you can see what the model is. It's on my Pinterest, so I'll just copy what's there. Alright. So that's cool. It's by Fire X. I have these two I got from my teacher a long time ago. This is Crew Star. So if you're watching this, shout out to you. Okay. Pretty sure that's her name. BRK Electronics. Alright, okay. Model 2002 WAC. Pretty cool. Okay. Then this alarm is actually broken. I think it's still operatable in a way, but I mean it's kind of broken. It's snapped. As you can see, I can do that. I shouldn't be able to do that. So it's sadly broken. And then we have my Simplex 49. Come on, focus again. Sorry. 4903-9219 horn strobe. Flash rate. Wait, what's the flash rate? Flash rate Flash rate is 60 per minute. Cool. Alright, so then that's that. This little smoke alarm could be in trailers or, you know, like, yeah, RVs, whatever you want to call it. Things you camp in and stuff. They're really good for like very small places. I don't really know the model for this, but I'll put it in the video, just like I said before. My Gentex Commander 3 model number is GEC320. Sorry, I messed up. It is the, I don't know if you can see that, GEC324WR. Yeah, that's right. GEC324WR. Yep. Good. This guy's broken as well. It works, but this speaker is broken because I'm not good at tap settings, so I kind of blew out the speaker, sadly. So only the strobe for this alarm will work. The model number is 4903-9357. I might actually buy a new one because then I can actually have one that, you know, has a working speaker. And I won't screw up the tap settings this time. I'll actually read the manual because I'm kind of stupid for not doing that in the first place. Alright, my Firelight alarms by Honeywell BT12LX adjustable pull station. My 1962 game mode pull station. I'll show you the model number for that. These guys already know what this is, so I don't really have to show you the model number. Okay, model number for this guy is the M4633. Pretty sure that's right. I'm not sure exactly because it doesn't say model right next to it, but I'm just gonna guess. So, anyways, that's that. Okay. Sadly, I don't really use this pull station much because, look, those are the wires right there. That's where the wires would be. So I'd have to like solder on new wires for that to be able to happen. I would need a soldering machine. One of my favorite alarms here, the Whemenoc AS. I'm not sure if this is an older or a new version, so I want you guys to let me know in the comments. Oh. Okay, so it is. Stop it, screw. It is the AS121575W. Whemenoc AS. Alright. And then we have my not Gentex. Oh well. We have my Edwards. Where are you? Oh, there, I see it. Come on, focus again. Jesus, phone. Phone. Really? Okay. I don't know if you can see that. It's blurry for me, so most likely it's blurry for you too. I'm trying to make it so it works. My hand is kind of shaking though. 7577ATW. Orange strobe. So it's a Edwards EST Integrity. That's one of my favorite alarms again. A lot of these are my favorite alarms. But this one, which is pretty much brand new. It's been brand new, but even though I've used it, it still looks like it's brand new. Is in good condition. This guy I've had for like 4 years or 3 years now. So yeah. I'm not done yet though. Then we have my sync module. It's not really a fire alarm, but I decided to include it since it's related. It is a sync module, control module. And It's the simplex. Jesus, can I not shake? I'm trying my best, guys. I'm sorry. I have to like hold this a certain way, I guess. Okay. Focus in the right place. Oh my God. 4905-9938 sync control module. Simplex, by the way, that's the company. Connected to one of my favorite alarms, which is also in my school. So is this one, and this one are both in my school's 4100U system. So, 75 candela. This alarm is 4904-9332. Simplex True Alert. One of my favorites. We all know this guy. This is a Systems. No, I said that wrong. System Center Classic by Spectral. This is actually connected to that pole station because I didn't undo the system thing. We have that too, which has the 2 output wires there. Okay. So, oh, by the way, that's where you connect the batteries. It's the end of that. Okay, so this is the Spectral Classic. And the model number, come on. The model number is P241575. Awesome. This is really hard to work with because it's a screw lock instead of key. I honestly like key locks way better. Like that. So like that. And yeah. This one, I mean, it's really cool. No doubt about that. I actually really like it. But this wire, as you can see, is already like stripped. Stop being blurry again. Really now. I have to like out. And see, it's like, it's actually stripped. Because I had to like try so hard, and I had to push really hard and everything. So it's like, these aren't really my favorite. I wouldn't get pole stations that are like this because really, you're gonna end up breaking them very soon. At least key locks don't, get damaged. Unless you do something to damage it. So yeah, that's my whole entire fire alarm collection. That was my fire alarm collection. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. See you in my next videos.